Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix overheating issue in Samsung A36 or the A56. If you are using a 36 or a 56 and now you are having overheating issue, so let's see how can you fix that. First of all, you just have to scroll down in control center, and here you have to make sure that you have disabled all the unnecessary connection. Let's say if you are not using Bluetooth, you can easily disable that and just do the same for the unnecessary connections. Just disable location if you are not using your location, and here NFC do not disturb, auto rotate, and just like that you just have to disable that setting which you are not using. So after that you just have to go to your home screen, and here just go to your recent app sections and make sure that you have no any apps in your recent apps. So you must have to close all the apps which are running in background. So after doing that, just go to your phone settings. From setting, just go for battery, and here just tap on background usage limits, and here just select sleeping apps. Here just tap on the plus icon, and you just have to select the apps which you want to don't use in background. So that's how, just select that apps, then tap on add. So in this way you can easily lock the background usage of the apps. After doing that, you must have to look for any new installed apps. If you have any install any app and it might be overheating, so you must have to uninstall that app. Let's see, I'm going to uninstall this app which I have just installed. Just keep a long press on it, then tap on uninstall, then uninstall it. It will fix your issue, but if it doesn't, you must have to don't plug in your phone while it is already overheat, and do not use your phone when you are charging it. So after that you just have to make a restart your phone to fix the overheating issue. So just scroll down in control center, and here you will get the power icon. Just tap on it, then tap on restart, then tap on it again to make a restart your phone. So it will fix your heating issue. So that's how you can easily fix heating issues in Samsung A36 or the A56. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.